In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear driver's side cargo door handle cable on this Ford E-350. Let's get started. We have to remove the door panel, and on these vans, the door panel is just a sheet of plastic with a bunch of push clips. So all we have to do is peel it off. In some cases, you may need a trim tool. Just pop out all the push clips. Now inside the door panel, this is what you'll see. I know the view is sideways right now, but what you'll see is at the top of the door, you'll have a long cable going to the upper latch. At the bottom of the door, you have a short cable going to the lower latch. We're replacing this one, but the procedure is identical for both. What we want to do at the bottom is just unhook the cable off of that latch, and then the end of the cable should pop out of its hook. All right, there we go. And at the top, we have this piece of plastic that locks the cable in. We're going to have to squeeze on both ends and kind of push out at the same time. There it is. You don't have to remove this all the way, but if you remove it halfway, you'll have access to where this cable latches in. Now, if you just pull out on the door handle, that'll allow you to, well, unhook it. Take the new cable and slide it in. Both ends are the same, so it doesn't matter which end you put where. Slide this part of the cable through, and let's hook it on to the door handle first. Just line it up with its slot, and actually you can look from the outside of the door to see that. Slide this cable back in. Let's lock the cable in. Now we'll bring the other end down. Now on the lower side, you're going to have to pull this cable, put the cable in through the opening, and then kind of loop it around the latch. If needed, use a screwdriver from the bottom. That cable is now seated, so let's lock it in. All right, that's locked in. There we go. Everything works. Now take the door panel, line it back up, push in all the push clips, and re-secure it. And there you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.